In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Subtotal in Microsoft Excel. First, open Excel and load the worksheet you want to summarize. Make sure your data is in a clean, continuous range with clear column headers and no completely blank rows or columns running through the middle. Subtotals work best when Excel can detect your list as one block. If your data is formatted as an Excel table, the classic Subtotal tool won't be available. You can still use it by converting the table to a normal range first. Next, prepare your data by sorting it based on the column you want to group by. For example, if you need subtotals by region, category, or salesperson, sort by that column so all matching entries sit together. Click anywhere in the column header and use the Sort A to Z or Z to A buttons on the Data tab. Sorting is essential because Excel inserts a subtotal every time the value in that column changes. Now click any cell inside your dataset and go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the outline group, select Subtotal. This opens the Subtotal dialog box, where you'll tell Excel exactly how to group and what to calculate. Under At each change in, pick the column you just sorted by. This tells Excel where to insert the subtotal rows. Each time that value changes, a new subtotal will appear. Under Use Function, choose what you want to calculate, such as sum for totals, count for the number of records, or average if you want a mean value. If you're counting text items rather than numbers, count is the right choice. For monetary or quantity columns, sum is most common. Under Add Subtotal to, select the numeric column or columns you want summarized. You can check multiple fields if you'd like. Excel to subtotal several measures at once, like quantity and amount. Optional checkboxes can save time. Replace current subtotals, keeps things tidy if you're changing settings. Summary below data places the subtotal lines under each group, and page break between groups helps if you plan to print. When everything looks right, click OK. Excel will insert subtotal rows throughout your data and add outline buttons along the left side so you can collapse or expand details. Use the 1, 2, and 3 buttons to switch between a grand total view, group subtotals, and full detail. If you need to tweak your setup, reopen Subtotal and adjust the options, or choose Remove All to clear the subtotals and start fresh. And that's it. Your data is now grouped with clear automatic subtotals, ready for review, printing, or sharing.